Home Remedies presents. My mother could not walk because of pain from varicose veins and sore legs. A natural remedy for varicose veins and painful legs. Eliminates the pain from varicose veins in the legs after standing. Make homemade ointment from cloves, garlic and olive oil. Strengthen blood vessels, improve circulation and relieve leg pain. Ingredients: cloves 2 tablespoons, garlic 5 garlic cloves, olive oil 150 ml, dark amber bottle. Directions: grind the cloves and make powder. Chop the garlic cloves and add in the amber bottle. Let it infuse in olive oil for 48 hours. After 48 hours, strain the oil and store in a dark amber bottle. Rub this on your sore spots in the morning and evening before going to bed. Let the oil soak in and your nerves are relaxed. Repeat this twice a day for 2 months and your varicose veins will disappear magically. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.